Alright guys, and Register Joey's got the Packer sets here. 20 spots at 4. Top spot gets all 4 of them. There's our list. We're going to go live. We are live. 8:05 p.m. February 22nd. February 22nd, 8:05 p.m. We are going to grab the list. 20 spots. Drop it into random. 20 entries. Jake on bottom and Jake on the top. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 7. We're going 7 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice shows a 7. Next click wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats. Spot number 16, Brandon. You are the winner. Get in touch with Joe. He will get those bobbleheads to you. We are done. 8:06 p.m. Go back to the post. We will type done. And we are done. 8:06 p.m. 8:06 p.m. There is the timestamp and the verification code.